Hello everyone, it's your boy Marcus Wells, 803 Gardening, and I'm coming today to you with another unboxing video, this time from a new company I recently purchased from. This will be the first time I purchased from this company, and it is BriteLeaf Citrus Nursery down in Florida. So far I'm impressed with this company, from the customer service as well as to the prices of their fruit trees. I ordered this fruit tree, if I'm not mistaken, Friday of last week. I received an email Monday morning, them asking me if it's okay for them to ship out my fruit trees, which would be the coming next week due to the weather conditions. I told them it was okay. Then I received a call, today's Friday, I received a call Wednesday of them asking me if it's okay for them to go ahead and ship them out this week, because they rechecked the weather from my area and saw that the weather changed and it would be better for this week for them to ship out compared to next week. So that's the type of customer service I like, especially from ordering fruit trees, that they take that extra step to not only reach out to you, but to look at your weather in your area to make sure the fruit trees that they're sending you will survive. So they get an A+ for me on that one. But what I have here for the first one is the thornless key lime. In this second box we have a Zediss Satsuma. Not sure I'm saying that correctly. Then we also have a Hamlin Orange. One thing that I found interesting about their boxes is these little screws they have here. These screws are actually holding the plant base in place. So that's very interesting and very unique and smart. So we're going to go ahead and just get these out of the way real quick. Okay, now let's go ahead and start with the thornless key lime. Here we are, we're back. Like I said, we're going to go ahead and open up the thornless key lime first. You have to bear with me, I'm doing it with one hand. Sorry about that, I decided to go ahead and pause and bust it open real quick so it'll be easier for the video purposes. But here we are. Get ready to open it in 3, 2, 1. Very healthy looking plant. Beautiful. Don't see any leaf damage at all. That's where the screw was screwed into to keep it from flapping around. So again, this is the thornless key lime. Okay, now we're on to the second part of the unboxing, which is the Hamlin Orange. You have to excuse me, I had to move real quick. The sun went down and was glaring in my face, so the video wasn't gonna come out good, so I went ahead and pre-cut everything so I can just simply open the box. It's a little bit better for me since I'm filming these videos with my phone. So here we go. We have another beautiful plant. These were $25 a piece, if I'm not mistaken. Beautiful plants. Very healthy. I have been buying nothing but citrus trees lately, and that's probably going to continue for quite some time. I am completely in love with them, so much into the fact that I'm actually looking, well, I don't know if I should say it yet, just stay tuned for the future videos and you'll see what's coming. Sometimes when you have good news, you have to keep it to yourself until it becomes 100% set in stone. Probably shouldn't remove that one. I'll keep the rest on for now. But once again, this is the Hamlin Orange, the key lime that I just opened. Was soil was well packed, still extremely moist, which is always a good thing. I'm always iffy about seeing some of the videos people order from some places and seeing soil was dry. Oh, that's some very good moist soil. Once again, this is the Hamlin Orange. Okay, we're back with the third part of the video of this unboxing, and this, I'm going to try to say it correctly, is the Zediss Satsuma. Once again, I already pre-cut the boxes just to make it easier for video purposes. I haven't seen the plant yet, so let's go ahead and turn it around and get her out. Oh, don't fall now. She is beautiful. I know they say on the websites, if I'm not mistaken, that a lot of these plants starting off, or at least the ones that are 25, I believe, come in heights of 30 to 32 or 35 inches. I'm not quite sure, but either way, there's still some nice, lovely, beautiful, tall plants to get you started. These are a beautiful dark green as well. That's the other two I just opened. Bud date there of 9/24/19. This would make the 4th Satsuma tree that I have. I have the Brown Select, the Satsuma, the Satsuma Mandarin, and this one. Once again, soil is beautifully moist. These trees are going to make a wonderful addition to the citrus family. I look forward to tasting many, many fruits off these for many, many years. Once again, guys, this company is called, find that label at one part. BriteLeaf Citrus Nursery, and in Florida. Shipping on these guys were extremely fast. Like I said, they email you as well as call you to let you know about your weather conditions in the zone you live. They see whether or not, you know, the trees will make it there safely, which is always a plus from any nursery. I believe all nurseries should do that. That shows excellent customer service. Shipping is extremely fast. 2-day shipping. They ship these out Wednesday, and today's Friday. So, beautiful shipping. But that'll be all for this unboxing video, guys. BriteLeaf Nursery. Go check them out.